I was just asked, Frank, how long does probate take in California? And, what's the timeline? And why does it take this long? And what are maybe some of the delays? So typically what I've seen, the timeline to finish up probate is about 9 to 18 months in California. Now, what's causing this delay or affecting this timeline? One is just the schedule of the court, disputes among the heirs. Sometimes it's almost like a divorce situation. People are on different pages what they want to do. Locating the property, locating assets, accounts. There could be title issues, and maybe the longest delay is just basic real estate transactions, and they can be complex, especially if they involve businesses. So if you got questions of this or anything with doing with probate, give me a call, 916-257-0893. Bye.